tsa go kolota segori na le ramata re di kuku tsa go kolota segori
kopa kiso bonya
Zima impilo enzima okay life
selo tswa go gitse
bibe ke re itse re ha ke na license kwa nonnetseng koloi gore ke go duela motlaka se le metsi
ma go la tlaka-tlakanya dikgantsa go lapeng tsa motho go a ke theogetseng kopa o bona driver's license
na yone ga ke
kopa o bona teseletso ya go kgweetsa ke le podisela tsela goa ke mo direla puso traffic cop
baby wa itse ga ke na la
mawe don't baby me auka ga le gore ga ona teseletso ke a go charge
o tlo go ntšhaja
1.5 emma wena ma
koro ga mbotsa gore ke nna mang baby re nna rotlhe nna mosadi wa gago o monyetseng
mawe go ga ke theogetse ne ke re kwa ena mang mepel basha nowadays mawe advance re le betsa hela ka di-cellular phone police re reketsa a tlola re dirisa pampiri la swipe go tsa ke cash
swipe eng cash wa eng o ntse gore ga ke bere ke motho wa me ke housewife ke nna hela lwe
mme go re tsa koloi manta ga ya testing go transport
o tse koloi
o tata o duela o tsere madi wa kwa mma
ga se gore mme o sala lone koloi ya go e gone ga ka sala jo
pele kitlelo a beile tlhampe kitlelo a beile next better one anga tshwara tse pedinyana e be ke chaise
matla hela ke ena o releng ke go duela motlaka se le metsi go tlera go tampolela re o batla license a ntse itse gore ke motho hela wa modimo a re o batla license ebile o ntšhaja 1.5 ke tla tsaya koloi ga ke etsa go duela 1.5
o rayang tota ke ena a yong go hela a duela
ka ra koloi yago ke duela 1.5 ke ye go etsang
kana nne a bona moso ke ena go a duela
ke tlo mo bakata ke a go mo tsenya mo tseleng
baela mai le itaka ke go tlotlele wa go ma a re tsetile le ha
no ba di le mo ke
It's not that I said, "College, it's
patiro o ya se ipile tiro ya ke ra re se thunttsela go dithole ko wena helala
nya ne ke re la gore ga ile gore la mpira best ke go butse teng
ha re sa go hiri
nya ke la tlo go mpira ke a bereka ke a hela ke a cleana sengwe le sengwe
nya ra no madi
baby I said it
What is wrong?
I said it this is your neighbor wicked.
What did they do?
Your husband wants to kill me. I gave your husband my jack. See now, it's broke. I was under a car, fixing customer car. Car fell down on me, I almost died, baby.
Oh, no.
Look now. Now it's moving freely. I almost died.
Sorry,
I almost...
sorry
Say, if I talk, don't talk. Ah, baby, who is this one again?
Honey, he says he wants to start cleaning the yard.
Clean the what?
The yard, the whole yard, cleaning. We actually need one.
Nka tswalla botsa.
I'm not doing.
O charge bokae mme?
Ah no, ke charge 600 la ke ta ga bedi.
He says he charges 600 coming twice in a month.
Oh, yeah. You know I need a garden boy now.
Yes, we need. We need one.
Strong man, even he's very strong, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he can do that.
Brother! What's your name again?
Chopir.
Chopiro. Even the name on its own is too much.
Yes, honey.
They do well.
Yeah.
Only 600 to the church. 600. Ah, it's
Yeah,
not
so
too
we'll
much.
split. They'll pay 300, we'll pay 300.
Neighbor, 300.
Yeah.
Hey. Neighbor, 300. Your husband, 300.
Ke tla bua le monna, ke tla le ka tota.
Anyway.
Tota ke tla le.
Nka simolla ke.
Strong man. Ah, make us start. Baby, make me go finish my work.
Okay, honey, go finish.
Your husband must pay my check. Oh.
Yeah.
Your husband.
He'll pay.
Let me talk again.
He'll pay your.
You said, baby,
Honey,
I love you.
I love you.
Ah, you are sweet.
Yo ba tla lla ke tswela mo.
Yeah, tla tsona ke rubiele ene tlhama a duele wena. Hey,
1.54.
plus 300.
Nalera mata. Re di gogo tsa go kolota segori. Nalera mata. Re di gogo tsa go kolota segori.
Mo Nigeria.
Neighbor. Hey. Nonsense.
Hey, pull your nigga. Hey, la, guys. Where's my car? Ya no moji manja no.
Ke garden boy ya rona.
Garden boy.
Hey,
O tla ba nna re thusa fela.
Le ba hiri rona la hira.
re mo ferile.
E gore ka gore you two are unemployed. Why sa re phakele tsogela phaila jareteng?
Ne ke re ka re tlete re bua ke re ne motho a me re rotsena o ja ka o chaisana re ka haro mo ka re bua ka gore ba tle ba mo duela 300 tla nna be re ntsha 300 ta motho
300.
tota no bua yang a pele ga ba
So phela yena you are an employer malazi ha? Wa ao phela. E ka re o sa bereke o bo re hira motho o mo duela kae? Bo mma we. Ha le bereke. Le ka tsoga phakela la phaila jarete. A go tlhoka le gore le hire motho. Ga the garden boy re sna garden. He, hela papa we. Bona, batho bana ba go a ketsa utlwa. Puta a gona tiro go lona.
Eh?
A gona tiro.
Ah, ope. Anto puta avanzar kwa kwenu. Mwaka msana mundini.
Bona bona la attitude nyana ibi.
Ah, anto puta ba mara uzangu ndazi tola walo ngwenu wale.
Ala ra kise se dipile. Ra o berekile kae le kae?
Ke hetse ya rata tsa mo tokwenza. Gona ja rata ile ngore ga ke itse mo gone. Ke a hela ke a thatso ya kina sengwe le sengwe. Di tira tse di haletsele di wa again.
Bona monna modimo. Ko re ke batla re nne clear nna lwena. A ke re ga o ntse ke go rompona.
Eh.
Le nna ke go itsa again.
Eh.
This are your employers au.
Eh.
Ka ba re go di hela go batla madimo go nna.
o bua yang
Na re lo ta.
Yey. Bona papi. O ka tsalla wa hela mme hela ne ke batla. Nna lwena ga re itsana au. Ya no.
o ka go
Mo
tlhabisa
ka
ka
agreement
ga
ya go le batho bana nna go tlhele le se ka re kgwedi e hela go tla go nna go batla madi au. Ha ke a go dira.
gore o buise yang tota o batla re to tsena ke
Matata
lo
go ke. Hela ga ke le tlotlele. Kana wa izore tiro ya sepodisi mpontsha dilo. Kana ke tlhotse ke tshwere mosadi o mongwana a kgweetsa hela sena driver's license. A re ka gore monna go ke le podisi. This gender. Basadi ba botswana. Ka re go kgweetsa hela ke re he la tlhamma. A re ene ke Mrs. o nyetswe ke le podisi. He.
Tawe. It's gana.
Motsaka. Wa tila ke re. O tlampitsela.
Muthago ke story o mma.
sore ke tlo mo baakanya gompieno
Mmankae.
mata o ntsholele ga ke go apaka
E go tlele
Re
gore
tla
nna
bona
ke go
gore-
tsholela dijo ka.
ke tlabe ke tla ira ke re
Mmankanye
ke
mma.
tlo kopana mo phefo nna le monnayo ke gore a ke go rana
It's Haitian, the awesome G.
You close your eye again. You are closing it.
Yes.
Open them, lah.
It's money.
It's money, oh.
For me.
You know I love you now. You make me say me finish my job and born my baby. Are you know my baby?
Yeah.
Now, How much is that?
It's 100 pula.
Are you sure?
100 pula, baby.
How much again?
Another one, baby.
How much now?
Another 100.
It's how much? It's 200 because I love you. Me big man.
Yes, baby.
Another one.
200 pula.
My baby. I love you. 100. My pelusa. Miss B. Baby, not how we say. You, boy. I'm not going to promotion. Go to. I'm not going to police and feet. To our baby. Not how we say. Hey. We say your police go better. Hey, not how about. You know about your name, Tuan. You see now? Now make a stand up and see your back down, make a dizzy. You are taking formation. You are taking me hard. You are killing me hard. See me die, baby. Do again, do again. My baby.
Come, let's go. Let me go give you some love. Let me give you some love.
I love you.
Come, my
You
love.
want to give me some love?
I'm going to give you some love.
Baby! That's too much. That's too much.
Come
Baby! My baby, not good.
Let me give you some.
Get it, who? Get it, who? Miss P. What's right? What the name? I saw one of that TV. I think I'm something. Yeah, baby, say. Hey, can I use what you don't have to Hey, Miss P. What the name? Baby. Hey, hey, let's go. Now the pen was said, "On the telephone, why didn't I realize that day?" Hey, that way away. My brothers.
Good morning, sir.
You are still working on that car again?
We are finishing, boss.
Since last night I gave you my car, you are still working on it. Do you know how many cars are coming here every day? Oh?
Yes.
You have been, look at you, you have been saying, baby.
Honey, why are you shouting so early in the morning?
You see this mechanic?
Yeah.
You see today, nowadays I have money. So I hired too many mechanics.
Yeah.
So that they make my job easy.
Yes,
so that I can have time for you. Baby, today you look fine, no? Turn around. Oh, God, you are killing me. You are killing me.
I have to go.
When I look at you, wait, when I look at you, you and the sunlight, you are cheese. You are brighter than the sun.
I sparkle.
Baby, go and enjoy yourself.
Oh, honey.
Go enjoy yourself. You know I have so many work to do here.
Give me a hug.
Kiss me, baby. Why am I always having to bath with that happening? All I got to get doing is a tap. I want to have a room. The next thing I will be bathroom or all I got tap.
Let me go, right?
Baby, you are fun. My eyes, I cannot see well. They say love is blind. Let me take a picture. Picture first, baby. That well. How you go? You want to manage me? Kimela, I can't go here away now.
Monajero se kae o lo ga di boreitse
Imagine.
na ka go tsenya bo Brazilian
Brazilian book.
ha ise ba le mo se pa kere go mo di bari ya no baby bo la kana ke togela ka thu gona ne ke phakela gore go guest house ro iketlanya ha ke promote ke morana la ga se ke diro
Spoiler. Come on, our promotion.
Casito. Hey, shit, you will kill me. Baby. The way you do it, you make it easy. Like this. Like GTA. You go, I say, that's my beautiful girl. Not like that, my wife, man. But my wife, it's always like this. Not even to make sound. And you say, you are good. Like a frozen chicken. My wife is like a frozen chicken. Every time we do it, it be like this. You know, frozen chicken. You do this to me every day. Please me, I'll please you. You do me, I'll do you.
I brought you some food. I brought you some food.
Let me put in butter at the camera.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Let me go and get you some water. So that
You brought me food.
Yes, my love. Yes.
You are fine, no?
You know me now.
Look at you are taking for bend again, my baby.
Let me go and get you some water. Baby.
Not like that, my wife. You brought your husband food. Wow. Your baby. Bring me water. Oh. Bring me water to wash my hand.
You know me.
Yes.
I can cook.
My wife! Yes, the only woman I'm married.
My wife. How are you?
I am good, baby.
How was the shopping?
Baby, did you cook?
Just an hour for me to take off. Then I cook for my wife.
Oh, sorry.
I love my fork, baby.
Hey, get up.
You know me, I'm a mechanic, you know me. I will use my hand, the hand of God. Yes.
For me, honey.
Yes, I cook for you, baby.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, you know that our neighbor husband, that's our neighbor,
Yeah.
policeman, you know how he abuses that wife. So I said, make me cook, let me dish for her.
No, you
So
didn't.
that's why you find her here eating with me. Yes, so you know me, I'm a good man. Yes, so.
Kana re le gore ka dijo ha re ke dijo bana ke re yana.
Ora le hai.
Dijo. Go sala ka go nna le mabele ke a la 2 months back. Me go mpeng go batso re go kopana hanna le ene.
Go tlo masokela le wa.
Ke mosoketse wena go na le madileng a be ke a re phara madile. O tla bona re ira ya.
Yeah.
Ha ke di tsene go mpeng.
Go police station, right? I see. What are the police le charge le motho kwa? Ebe ya la sa tluela ne ki ba itse. Go pastilo wa bomma. Di male ba rena. Wa pelo dijo tse di monata. Ma peluza, ha o ntle le phone.
Neighbor, how are you?
Monajere dumela.
Yes, so.
Wena mona go la di kirisiala ra pe tse tshuna ra go ja rice le di salad. Wena o ja la ntse le leswa ga o tlhapenyana pele. Motho ei o tshisa. Ama
Baby wa re kolo irile.
na re go bo gobele madile.
Koloi irile.
A gona na manyana.
O rekile dijo.
Ama pi. Wena le go rotsa ka rice le shu.
La ke tilo. Matla.
On est géré. Piscine à oui.
What?
Namanya.
You say what? Sir? You are mad.
Pele, il a couru à la Yann.
Baby, on réclame.
Alright. We're not talking to him.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
I have a customer who called me. I said, let me go and help him. So I bring more money so that I buy rice for you, eh?
Even more meat, honey.
Yes.
So we don't end up like other people.
So my parents is speaking, eh?
Okay, honey.
All right.
Thank you, baby, for cooking
Neighbor.
for me.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Hey, come on. We got a nugget. Hey, Nigeria.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you something. I've been watching you every day because I don't understand your language. You talk nonsense to me. If I slap you, eh? Huh?
We are Mataga, right?
This thing that you want to do every
I
day.
will charge.
You want to charge me for what? For who? Who are you? I don't like you. In fact, I don't.
Well, I
even regret the time I became your neighbor because you are an idiot, fool, captivated character, idiot. You sir. I really got you. Don't promote you at work. I beg. As long as I'm alive, you sir. I'm not looking at you, sir. Remove this your stupid machine. This wheelbarrow of yours. Remove it.
When I do right, you close one. I'm peeling. Close one.
I said, one I also
Like you already, man.
like I did job. Let's go to promotion. That's what I'm doing. Promotion.
Are you comfortable? My name is Sergeant Basha. May I see your driver's license, please? Hey! May I see your driver's license, please?
I said it. I told my wife that this your head, there's something wrong.
You are not even putting on your seatbelt.
Remove this your nonsense. Let me pass now.
You are not putting on your seatbelt.
It is not my house.
Are you aware this is a traffic offense?
Huh?
I'm going to arrest you. I'm going to arrest
Neighbor,
you. Are going to spend the night in jail.
are you serious?
Switch off the engine, sir. Switch off the engine, sir.
Are you harassing me?
I'm not harassing you. I'm arresting you. Are you resisting arrest? Should I call backup? Should I call for backup?
Remove this your nonsense. I want to pass.
This is government property. Are you calling?
You call my house a government property? My house?
Oh, neighbor, oh, I must kill somebody. Neighbor, ra, I want to listen to the Robert as a cancel over Raymond. I'm a Nigerian. Neighbor, I want to listen. Oh, neighbor. Sanaka, all of money selling.
Are you harassing me, sir? Huh?
Il est ça, il est